Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find the number of substrings with only ones. So you'll be given a binary strings, means there will be only 0 or 1. All you have to find the number of substrings with all character ones. Okay, and since the answer may be too large, you have to return the modulo of 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So that's it. Like, for example, this one is your test case. Okay, now what you have to find how many substrings you have where all of the numbers are 1. So if you notice, this one is a substring, right? So 1. Another is this one is a substring, 2. This one is a substring, 3. Okay. Again, if you go, this one is a substring, uh, this one is a substring, this one is a substring. Okay. Also, these two, these two, these 3. Okay. So how many substrings we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We should have 9 substrings. The answer is 9, right? Now, how can you find it? It's pretty much simple. So all you have to do, you have to take two variables. One is response, another one is count or current. So I'll just say count. Okay, now you have to count how many ones you got in a row, right? So if it is 0, it will not count. If it is 1, it will start counting. So it's counted 2. Okay, once it will find any 0 again, so it will stop counting and it will say, okay, I got two ones. So with two ones, how many total substrings we can make? We can make 2 plus 1 into 2 divided by 2. Okay, so 3 into 2, which is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. We can make total in 3 substrings. So in my response, I say response is equal to 3 for the time being. Then I found 1, 1, 1, total 3. So how many substrings we can make? 3 plus 1 into 3 divided by 2. So which will be 4 into 3, 12 divided by 2, which will be 6. And I'll add it with my response. So 6 plus 3, which will be 9. So answer is 9. So that should be the answer, and that's how we need to like solve this. So the formula is count plus 1 into count divided by 2. That's it. So what I'll do, I'll say int count, or I'll say response is equal to 0 and count is equal to 0. I'll return response then, and then I'll be saying for character ch in string, if character is equal to 1, then increase the value of count, else on inside and say response plus equal to count plus 1 into count divided by 2. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And what if some, yeah, so I will say, for example, in the test case, it's the test case right there. So in the test case, uh, there are 3 ones at the end, right? And I'm saying like, yeah, I'm saying like, if character is 1, then to count plus plus. So if the last character is also 1, it will increase the value of count, but it will not go there and it will not increase the value of response. So at the end, I'll be saying if count, then increase the value of response. And if I run this, it should get accepted. It's like this. So else if uh, so I'm saying if so I'll increase. Okay. So yeah, what am I doing? I'm increasing the value of response, means I'm adding the value to the response. At the same time, I have to say count is equal to 0. I, I'll like put the count value 0 again, and it should get accepted by this time. Yeah, no. Now the problem says like we have to return with like modulo 10 to the 1 9 plus 7. So here I'll be saying my mod is equal to 1 in 9 plus 7. Okay, then I have to first bracket. Okay, put first bracket the mod, and yes, this one might go to that. So I'll be saying 1. Yeah, because this one will go very large, so I'm putting it on the 1 error so that it will be like a long. Yeah. If I run this, it is accepted, guys. Now there's one more way to solve this, which one is like if I copy, for example, if I copy this one again. Okay, now there are one more rules to solve this. For example, if there are three ones, how many substring we can make from this? It's pretty much simple. All you have to do, first take one plus, then you have to take 1 and 1, 2, right? So 2 plus, then the length is 3 at 3. So how many in total we can make? 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6. So with 3 lengths we can make 6. If there is 4, then we will add 4. So all you have to do, you have to keep count, and at the same time you have to add the total count with here. So till here we can say 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, 3 we can make. From here we can make 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, which will be 9, right? So what we'll be saying, like if it is 1, increase the value of count and keep adding with the response. If it is 0, make the count 0 again. Then if you got any 1, again do the same formula, which will be response plus count. Keep adding the count and the mod as well. Keep get the mod as well. So what I'll do here, cause this one here, and here I'll be saying else make the count is equal to 0, and then each and every time response will be response plus count. That's it, and just get the mod. If I run it, it is accepted. If I submit it, that's all, guys. Thank you so much.